We have no idea where we are. Bro, I know, baby. Trust me, I know. I know.
Sante Sana squash banana.
Are you eating the chorizo?
No, there's just a little bit on there. Yeah, I know, but they have that everywhere, babe.
Why are you yelling?
I'm just...
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Chances are, if you've ever been to Mexico, it was to vacation at the tried and true places like Cancun or Cabo. And while some intrepid travelers might go to Oaxaca or San Miguel de Allende, very few international tourists have discovered the oasis of San Luis Potosí. And this is why Eamon and I cannot wait to show you around Mexico's best kept secret. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Bernal. We are currently hiking the Peña de Bernal, and it's the third largest monolith in the world. So I'd say for the third largest freestanding rock, Rojo is a champion. Hey, baby, you're doing so good. My estimation is we're about halfway there. Eamon is always the Tortuga in the back, which is okay because he's slow and steady. I'm normally our fearless leader on hikes like this. And yeah, it's a great way to start the day. You feeling good, baby?
Feeling fantastic. Let's get it. Come on, buddy.
Hola.
Hola.
Buenos dias.
Buen día. Good boy. Good boy. Stay to the left. Good boy. Rock climber.
Adventure boys.
Rock climber. This one you might need help, huh? Come on. Go, 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 go. Good boy. Beautiful.
This little one is ready to head down, so we're gonna head back to the van, make some breakfast, and then you guys, we're taking you to San Luis Potosí.
If you don't know what that is, don't worry. It's gonna be great.
No, you don't even want that? You want the water bath? Okay.
We found silk almond yogurt, got some granola and banana. Buen provecho, my love.
I feel like we say that in every vlog.
Maybe we don't, though.
Maybe we do.
Maybe we don't.
Do you hear that? It's the sound of happy puppy parents. So we're gonna head into town, pick up some tortas, or Serge called them tillas. Oh, that was kind of cool. Grab some tills and
Some agua.
Ooh,
Right?
yeah, we should look up an agua place.
Last night we had this parking lot all to ourselves.
Yep.
Just to show
Rojo's
you.
little playground.
It's a busy one this morning.
Sante Sana squash banana.
We've done all of one errand and we're already a little hungry because we picked up the tortillas. So before the 2.5-hour drive we have ahead, I'm gonna make a quick tortilla, avocado, and salt snack.
Fresh?
I love the corn flavor.
All right, we got about a 2-hour drive. Then we're gonna play in some waterfalls. Okay.
True Eamon and Beck fashion, we have no idea where we are. Sergio was telling us about, I'm gonna start again. He highly advised that we come to San Luis Potosí, and he actually just put little hearts on our Google Maps of all the places we should stop. We've just decided to blindly trust him and follow his judgment, so I literally don't even know where we are. Hold on. It is 35 degrees, and you didn't just make one for yourself and not for me. That's so classic.
There's some serious hanger going on right now, so we're gonna pick up the vlog in a little bit. We're just gonna feed our face real quick.
This is where we are, folks. We got a fresh watering hole situation. We're gonna test out Ro, see how he goes in the water. He wasn't a huge fan of the ocean, so this is different. This is different. Come on, Ro.
This is very local. You gotta remember to let go.
How does that feel?
Well, it feels great actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel like you should do it.
Ah! I'm ready to vamos.
And get back in the car for the sticky heat?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Gracias, amigo. This little boy. Oh man. What are you, a teenager now? Let's get back on the road.
Let's get back on the road.
It didn't work?
No. An idyllic track of Mexican jungle and an extremely hyperactive imagination, and you'd still struggle to come up with the audacious, bizarre, and frankly madcap experiment that is Las Posas. That sounds so fun.
Oh, hey guys. Didn't see you there.
Doesn't that sound cool though?
That sounds amazing. So last night we finished up. We kind of arrived in this town a little bit late. As you can see or heard, we didn't really know where we were or what was happening. So we needed internet to upload a video, and we had to book an unexpected 2 more hours to get to this town called Huasteca.
Spelled with an XI.
Very confusing. So dinner wasn't very exciting last night. Cheap bread, peanut butter, jam, dinner.
But breakfast was beautiful this morning.
We went for about a 45-minute walk through this beautiful town to find a cafe that doesn't exist. But then we did discover a beautiful cafe. Oh wait, I know she's beautiful, but check this out. Gonna miss Mexico.
And as you just heard, I'm gonna take you to some place that you can't even believe exists right now. Actually, first, are we gonna make some tacos for lunch?
Yeah. About the tacos for lunch, though, let's make this a little more dramatic. I have an issue because
since realized
there's this new chorizo that Sergio gave us, and it's fantastically delicious and incredibly cheap, but I have uncontrollable gas.
Cut!
Now I know putting lettuce on a taco is like a cardinal sin here in Mexico, but I do like it. I find it gives it like a nice fresh crunch flavor. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are you eating the chorizo?
No, there's just a little bit on there.
Oh no. We're on a water mission, which brought us into downtown Huasteca.
Oh, what a fun time.
What a fun time. If you guys are driving in this area, I would highly recommend staying out of the center. This is a... Whoa. Whoa. What was that?
Oh, it's just our back bumper hitting the sidewalk.
This is a two-way street, you guys, and they also allow parking. So basically, you're always running into people. This time, it's a massive Coca-Cola truck.
Whoever's in charge of urban design for Huasteca, no more work for you.
Why? Oh my god, where's the dog?
I got it.
Bro, I know, baby. Trust me, I know. I know. I know.
Dying, he says. I'm dying.
Get some goddamn AC in here. Yeah, they have big jugs of water in there. We can just fill it up.
Yeah, I know, but they have that everywhere, babe.
Why are you yelling?
I'm just.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Please get in the car. I need to start driving. I need the wind. Please get in the car.
Can you let me in? Even our own dog doesn't want to be in this freaking hot car.
We just pulled over on the side of the road where we found this little puppy, and all you can see is his ribs. He was in the middle of the road, so we went and we gave him some water. He's terrified of humans. Ro's being a really good boy, but there's another dog barking at us over here. Good boy. Oh my god, he looks so malnourished. I'm so happy he ate.
I started crying.
Rojo, are you okay to share your food?
Yeah, he's confused. He's like, why is my dad taking my food elsewhere?
Oh man, what have we done? We are not even sure if the dog can come. So I let Becca out. She just ran to go see if that's even possible. And now I'm sitting in traffic trying to find a parking spot, I guess. I found a spot 3 hours away. Not actually. Now I gotta go find Beck. This is like the #1 thing I don't like about travel, is going to these amazing places at peak times, because they're just so much more enjoyable when you're not with 1,000 people. And it's so easy, you just wake up early. Couldn't get it done today, but typically we make that a priority. Hey.
This is a super long market and I have mixed signals, so let's just go and try with the dog.
You'll keep the dog?
Sí, aquí déjalo, yo lo cuido.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Israel.
Israel.
Adios, Rojo. I hope you like ice cream.
3 horas aproximadamente.
To get in?
Sí.
3 hour wait.
Wow. Vamos. But I just asked Amigo and he says it opens at 8 tomorrow, mañana. Well, we were just confirming that they open at 8 and then I said, what time does the line start? And they said 5 a.m. And I thought maybe we weren't understanding or speaking the same language, but it's 5. 5? Sí, mamma mia.
So this is a pretty big deal, this Jonathan
Edward James.
sculpture, jungle,
Waterfall thing.
So the problem is Holy Week.
Yeah.
The problem is Pequeño Pero.
Sí.
The problem is time.
Yeah.
Tiempo?
Tiempo. They say that no matter, like even if you get here at 5 a.m. tomorrow, there's an 2-hour wait.
At 5 a.m. and it doesn't open till 8.
Esperar 3 horas.
Ah, sí, hasta larga la fila.
¿Ya no entraron?
6 horas que pasaron.
3 horas.
3
Está
horas.
larguísima.
Ya, we vamos.
It's too long.
Adios, amigos. Mañana.
Yes.
Good morning, everybody. Yesterday, after our failed attempt to get into Edward James's jungle mansion, we were feeling super overheated and a little defeated. So we came to this campground and had nice cold showers, relaxed, and we regrouped so that we could head there first thing this morning at 6 a.m. I'm gonna probably walk over there straight away. Maybe Eamon will meet me. And we actually found some amazing babysitters for Ro this morning, so it's going to be a great day.
Welcome to the jungle, baby. We didn't even need to set an alarm. These little squawkers are squawking.
Also, how good does it feel to wake up and just be like, bye, Hito.
Yeah.
Go run around.
Having a house would be such a different experience.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's like, you
A
want to go in the
backyard.
backyard?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
And he's such a good boy.
I know. He loves us, so he doesn't go too far. Well, he does, but if you call him, he comes back. Besides the cold shower yesterday, one of the major perks of staying at that campground is it's within walking distance to our destination. So, like I said, I'm gonna head over there, give Eamon the hour to get organized, and just get up watch Rojo, set him with the babysitters, and then he'll meet me over there for adventure.
I just spoke to Beck. She says the line is starting to move a little bit, so I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna ditch the dog with the neighbors. Hola, amigos. Good, brother. You wanna say hi to the vlog?
Hey, how you doing?
Are you guys still okay to watch this little perro?
Yeah, for sure, man.
We'll see you in a bit. Later. Hi.
Hi. Did you just get back? You just need a cup?
Yeah.
Ah, cool. Para dos?
It's only 200 pesos, $5 each.
We're in. Hola.
Hay que escanear su código de barra sobre el cristal.
After a 2-day wait, we're in, you guys. Let's go explore. Las Posas is English artist Edward James's vision of the Garden of Eden. And to be honest, it's trippy AF. The 80-acre surreal park is built in thick jungle and is teeming with waterfalls, pools, and unusual concrete sculptures. It feels like a movie set or a long-last abandoned civilization for fairies and mythical creatures. Construction of Las Posas is said to have cost $5 million and is now open to the public to visit.
It's pretty cool to see the actual arcs and columns made out of concrete and to think how this guy did this way back in the day.
You love like How I Built This, the TV show, and I feel like that's what you do when you're here. You're just like, how did
Yeah,
you
I'm not
do
like
that?
super fascinated by history, but when it comes to like design and build, I have a real appreciation for it. Although the crowds are fierce, there are still pockets you can kind of escape and check out some places on your own. So it's pretty cool.
Definitely.
Definitely.
We hope you guys enjoyed this visit to Edward James's Las Posas as much as we did.
If you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And make sure you hit subscribe, turn on the notification, and until next time.
We got one more vlog in Mexico. It's gonna be fire.
Rojo! Hi, baby! Come here! Hola, Rojo! Hi! Hi, baby!
Chico, hi Chico. Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy.